So, I was on the moon, and I landed, and my truck and rover combination, which was connected to this platform right here, I watched it clip through the ground and fall, and I have since located the truck. So this is going to be me attempting to get that truck back. Right now all I have on me is one stack of tethers, 2 oxygen tanks, and some compound, just in case I need to make some more tethers, because I may very well die in the process of doing this. So let's see. And if you look just right at the bottom there, there's my truck. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is, through the use of the tethers and stuff, keeping a power source, I'm going to attempt to make a ramp that goes down into this cave that I can at least slide down. Okay. So let's keep going. Hey, we got to the green layer of the building stuff, and I think I can drop off now. Yeah. Cool, so I'm going to continue this all the way down, just in case I need something that I can escape through, and I can hop up that. It's a little tricky, but I do actually I should be good on tethers. I'm gonna bring one down just a little bit lower, just in case something else happens to my truck here. Okay. Let's give it a go. Oh, come on. Alright. So it's too steep for the vehicle right now, so we're gonna have to smooth this out, and it's gonna be a kind of long process, but we'll get it done.
One eternity later.
Alright, let's give her a go. Okay, still slightly too steep. Let's try something else. Let's take the truck off of the trailer there. Okay, so it makes it no problem. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is probably bring... Oh, it's out of power. Oh no. I need a battery. And I'm actually just gonna drop this down the hole. Hey, the battery literally landed at the bottom here. That's pretty cool. Alright. We can make it. As long as I make it to the top of this hill, we're fine. Alright, we ramped on out of there like a boss. Okay. We've made it, boys. Old Bessie is free.